Alright guys, it is I guess it's Monday, so I got home last night. You saw the bad news. I went and borrowed my buddy's board camera and we're gonna look inside to see how bad the damage is or what has happened with the motor. Alright guys, I slept for about 6 hours. We got the old CRV there loaded up. Sun's coming up, it's cold. It's about 8 in the morning. We got 10 hours of driving. Thanks to PFI Speed for this epic weekend. It's been fun. The results may not have been the best or what I wanted, but hey, crap happens. And it's not that easy to build a car. A lot of people think it is. A lot of people think you just throw it together. But there's a lot to go into it and a lot can happen, which we found out last night or this morning, whatever time that was. So we'll see you later. Bye. We are 2 hours away from the house. Getting some gas. Had a few issues with straps, but we got that taken care of. Shout out to Wendy's, Route 66, sponsor me. Just joking. So we're making it, filling up. We're almost home. Alright guys, it is I guess it's Monday, so I got home last night. You saw the bad news. I went and borrowed my buddy's board camera and we're gonna look inside to see how bad the damage is or what has happened with the motor. So hopefully we can find some answers and we can see how bad this really is. Hopefully it's not too bad. I don't know. We'll finish pulling the rest of the plugs. We'll stick a camera in and we will see what happened. It just is what it is. You build cars, you boost them, you do crazy performance things, and you do it in a couple days. Things can happen, and unfortunately it did happen, but it is what it is. And we're going to see what's going on with it. So rip B20 block. It's been good. Alright guys, got the bore light. Now I'm going to go into cylinder 1, see what's going on in there. There's definitely metal pieces in there. Coolant and metal pieces. Not sure what that's all about. Cylinder 2. Freak. More metal pieces. Cylinder 3. Oh crap. Holy smokes guys, it's not good. Let's see if we get some pictures of this. You won't believe what I'm looking at. Oh, maybe you will. But I'm not sure what the crap happened. No way. Let's go to cylinder 4. What in the world, dude? Oops. Now I'm freaking really curious what is going on. It's pretty bad, guys. It's pretty bad. I don't want to get this camera super gross. I want to try a little trick to see if I can like maybe control it inside sideways. So put it in like so. See if it'll fit in the cylinder. Then I can control the head and move it sideways. Because right now I can't really turn it enough to see what's on the sidewalls. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, guys, I'm going to pull off the valve cover real quick. Holy crap. So, cylinder 3, broken arm, definitely bent the valve. Pop this one out. Gosh dang it. I don't think the cam's hurt, really. But dude, it is jacked up. Well guys, it's always a bad day when coolant's coming out with your oil. Okay guys, first things first on an inspection. One of these on cylinder 3 was out on this side. And then I found a broken one, snapped in half. And the top is messed up. Smashed them, explosions. Awesome. The cams look okay. I don't think they really got hurt. Take them out, wrap them up, and saran wrap, and make them last a little longer. Alright guys, it's late. Stupid 12 point. Keep me from getting the head off. But the borescope did show me a few things, and it's not good. So if you want to support and pay our dues and our respects to the old B20 built, Goofy built, Open Throttle built, PFI tuned shenanigans, I'm gonna make a shirt, okay? And if I sell 250 shirts, I think I'm just gonna send off the block I have, do a CSS B20 block. The only stipulation is you have 1 week to do it. 250 shirts, 1 week. Support me, support Wide Open Throttle Garage, support this build. We're gonna do it. If you want to see it done, CSS, big turbo, crazy boost. If we can sell enough shirts, I will even buy the aluminum, crazy, heavy duty transfer case casing, you know, that stuff. we will make it a crazy all drive CRV and something we can drop into a Civic hatchback later, all drive build, or the EF sedan or something. You want to support? 1 week when this video drops, Teespring link, go. Buy some better, more legit pistons and rods, and we will just rebuild this block even better. I think the cam got damaged. I might go stock cam, see if Delta can fix it. I'm not sure. It looks like it was scuffed, so we might have to get another cam set up. But yeah, rip the old CRV and the B20 block. Like I said, go to my Teespring. If I sell 250 shirts, we're going to CSS, better rods and pistons, and we're going to rebuild this for the challenge. And if all else fails, we'll throw some bigger injectors in it, take it over to PFI, and try to get to 500. So if you guys want to support the cause, hit that link, support us. We can resurrect the old ripped up B20 CRV Turbo Ripper. Till next time.